So Sadavo mentioned that this patient, that young man, this soldier is going to die if he is not operated. Just looking at his structure, he also guesses that he was having extraordinary vitality, good health, good strength, and that is why he was able to survive up to this moment. One more point you have to keep in your mind is that now, when he was caught from the seashore, the man appeared to be around 25 years. That is not reality. In his appearance, probably he appeared to be 25. Now, Hannah considered this doubtfully. What Hannah considered doubtfully? He said, in any case, he will die. Who said? Sadao said, in any case, if he is not operated, he will die. Even if he is operated, also he will die. But Hannah had a doubt. Why Hannah was having doubt? Hannah did not believe that if my husband is operating this patient, he will die. Because according to her, he is a very learned surgeon, very efficient person. So there is no casualty in his hand. She had full faith in him. And that is why she considered this statement very doubtfully. And when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. What she did not answer? He said in any case she will die. This man will die. To that she had not given any answer. So Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said, and first he must be washed. So Sadao decided that at any case, but even if he is going to die also, we have to do something with this man. That's what he said. He went quickly out of the room and Hannah came behind him. He did not wish to be left alone with the white man. So the doctor is just going out of the room immediately. When he went, wife also went away because wife was finding it uncomfortable to remain in the room alone. Even though he is a weak person, he will not even get up. At the same time, she was having a fear of him, or rather a repulsion which compelled her to go behind the husband. He was the first she had seen since she left America, and now he seems to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. So these two people have studied there in America, that is Sadao and his wife Hannah. But she says that after leaving America, this is the first time she is seeing a white person, an American. Now the fellow who is lying in front of her, she says that this fellow has no connection with any of the non-person in America. He is not related, not having any connection with any of her close associates in America. Therefore she says, this fellow here is simply an enemy, a menace. Menace means danger. He is simply a danger, living or dead. Whether he is alive or dead, this man is a danger for this family. If he is dead, they have to see that this body is disposed of without being noticed by anybody. If he is living here, then again they had to convince the servants, they have to report to the police, and if they come to know about it, definitely there will be a lot of disaster in the family, in the position of Sadao, the children's future and Hannah's future. Everything is hanging. He turned to the nursery and called Yumi. Nursery, I mentioned yesterday. Nursery means, of course, the children playing room in the house is known as nursery. But the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. They have got 2 children. The youngest one is a baby, and that baby boy only 3 months old. When the mother called out Yumi, Yumiye porthek vilicha samayat, when the children heard the sound of the mother, the children started making noise. They started crying, and that is why the mother had to go inside and smile at the baby, because the baby was very small, only 3 months old. After going there, inside that nursery, what she has done, over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth, Yumi, come with me. What did the mother do? Mother took the child into her laps, in her arms, and then she kissed on the black hair of that baby. That is why motioned her mouth on top of the black hair of the baby. And then she told Yumi, come with me. It is an order of the mistress. എൻ്റെ കൂടെ വരാനായിട്ട് പറയുകയാണ്. I will put the baby to bed. Yumi replied, he is ready. So, what is here? What is the reply of Yumi? Yumi said, okay, I will come with you, but before that, I have to do a duty. What is the duty? She seems to be very sincere at her work. She says that I had to put the baby to sleep. ഈ അമ്മയുടെ കയ്യിലിരിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടിയെ ഞാൻ ഉറക്കിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ വരാം. But the mother says, he is ready. What does it mean that he is ready? He is ready means he has already fallen asleep. Kutti already orangi. How the child has slept? The mother's soft touch, her tender kiss. The child feels secured and child feels comfortable and child is already sleeping. That's what mother said. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. So what is happening here? She went with Yumi into the bedroom, into the nursery. What do you mean by nursery? I mentioned by the side of the nursery, കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കളിക്കാനുള്ള റൂമിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്താണ് ബെഡ്റൂം ഉള്ളത്. സോ ദ മദർ ക്യാരിഡ് ദിസ് ബേബി ഇൻ ഹർ ആംസ് ആൻഡ് വെൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ടു ദ റൂം ഫോർ മേക്കിംഗ് ദ ചൈൽഡ് സ്ലീപ്പ് ഓർ ലൈ ഡൗൺ ഓൺ ദ ഗ്രൗണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ദെൻ Yumi, the servant girl who is looking after the children, the nurse of the house, she just spread the sleeping quilts. Cheriya kuttigale, normally we don't just leave them on the bed because in the sleep they may fall down onto the ground. And that is why she spread the sleeping quilts on the ground and placed the baby between them. So, രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും തടസ്സങ്ങൾ സൃഷ്ടിച്ച് ഈ കുട്ടിയെ നടുക്ക് കടത്തി. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. So after having laid the child onto the ground on the sleeping quilt, Hannah just went very fast to the kitchen. The two servants were frightened at what their master had just told them. If you remember earlier, they had divided the responsibility of informing the servants. Sadao told that you go and tell Yumi, I'll tell the servants. So when Hannah came to the kitchen, she found something very indifferent. What was that? The two servants in the house, one was the gardener, another one was the cook. The two servants were totally frightened about what they have heard from the master. Who is the master? Sadao. Sadao already explained to them that we have got a white man in our house. We are planning to just nurse him, and after that we'll hand him over to the police. Whatever they have said. Anyway, the servants were afraid. Why servants were afraid? The servants of the house, Japanese, if they hide the fact from the police that the owner of the house is keeping a foreigner inside the house, they will also be punished. Not only that, they don't have the same temperament as Hannah and Sadao has. Their thinking is different. What is their thinking? They are uneducated people, illiterate people. What they think is that all Americans are enemies. The old gardener was also a house servant, pulled the few hairs on his upper lip. So out of the two servants, three servants are there total. One is a nurse, another one is a cook, and the third one is the old gardener. He is an old man. He was actually working in the house when Sadao's father was also alive. So many years of service in the house. He was also a house servant. വീട്ടിലെ കാര്യങ്ങളും ചെയ്യുന്ന വ്യക്തിയായിരുന്നു. When he heard about what Sadao said, what was his physical reaction? He was pulling the few hairs on his upper lip. Means മീശയെ പിടിച്ചു വലിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. Japanese person doesn't have thick mustache, and that is why few hairs. Now the next part what we are going to see is the displeasure of the servants. Servantsന് തീരെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നില്ല. What? The master has just kept the white man in the house. The gardener is angry because he believed that the man must die, and if Sadao prevented it, he would be cursed by the gods. It's a superstitious belief. ദൈവം അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ശപിക്കും. കാരണം എനിമിയെ വീട്ടിൽ വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ദൈവം അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ശപിക്കും എന്നാണ് ഗാർഡനർ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നത്. The book says that Sadao is too proud of his own skill. അഹങ്കാരം ആർക്കാണ്? Ego. Who? For Sadao. Cook says that Sadao is very egoistic. He is having too much confidence in his skill. അയാളൊരു ഡോക്ടറാണ്, ആരെ ചികിത്സിക്കാമെന്നാണ് അയാൾ വിചാരിക്കുന്നത്. Yumi wants that the children will not bear that their father is a traitor. So what Yumi says, These are the reaction of the three people. Yumi says that she is giving a warning that when the children grow up, when they understand that their father is a traitor, Rajyadrohi, they will not tolerate. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man, he said bluntly to Hannah. Who said, the gardener said, the master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. ആരോടാ പറയുന്ന? വൈഫിനോടാ പറയുന്നത്. Whatever is said to the wife, definitely it will reach to the husband. The master ought not, he is not supposed to, it is not his duty, it is not his obligation to heal the wound of the white man. The white man ought to die. അവൻ മരിക്കേണ്ടവനാണ്. He is supposed to die. First he was shot, then the sea caught him and wounded him with the rocks. If the master hears what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. So what does he say? He says that the master is not supposed to heal the wound of the white man. What is the reason? The reason is the white man ought to die. അവൻ മരിക്കേണ്ടവനാണ്. Why? Because first he was injured by the bullet. Secondly, again he was re-injured by the rocks. When he was carried by the waves, once again his wound was reopened. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. This is a superstition. This is what the gardener says. Gardener എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? ബുള്ളറ്റ് ഗൺ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചോ, സീ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചോ? വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ദ ഗൺ ട്രൈ ടു ഡു? ടു കിൽ ദിസ് മാൻ. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ദ സീ ട്രൈ ടു ഡു? Reopened his wound in order to kill him. So if you are going against these two things, they will take revenge on us. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ മാസ്റ്ററിനെ വെടിവെച്ച് കൊല്ലപ്പെടും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സീൽ പോയി മരിക്കും. So this is a superstitious belief. This is what the gardener said. I will tell him what you say, Hannah replied courteously. When Hannah heard this, why these servants are just explaining this, their worry to the wife, because they know very well that the wife will go and sell സദാവോ, സദാവിൻ്റെ ചെവിയിൽ എത്തുമെന്ന് അവർക്ക് വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് അറിയാം. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു വിടുന്നത്. സോ ഹാന സെറ്റ് വെരി കേർട്ടിയസ്ലി, വളരെ പൊളൈറ്റായി, വളരെ മര്യാദയോടുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞു, ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ ടെൽ മൈ ഹസ്ബൻഡ് വാട്ട് എവർ യു സേ. ബട്ട് she herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious as the old man was. So when the servant said all this, she herself was frightened. അവക്കും പേടി തോന്നി. But it is mentioned that she is an educated lady. She is not superstitious. അവക്ക് അന്ധവിശ്വാസമില്ല. Just like the old man means, just like the gardener. What is the superstition? The old man, he said that what the gun did and what the sea did, if you undo, they will take revenge on us. She does not believe that if they are looking after this white man, they will be killed by the bullet or they will be swallowed by the sea. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു വിശ്വാസം അവക്കില്ല. Because she is a educated lady. Could it ever be well to help an enemy? She started asking a question in her mind. ഒരു എനിമിയെ സഹായിക്കുന്നത് ശരിയാണോ? Could it ever be? Is it anywhere, anytime it is right to help the enemy? Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch the hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. So as she was thinking like this, she just gave an order to Yumi. You fetch hot water, bring hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. She ordered that hot water should be brought to the room in which the white man was kept. She went ahead and slid back the partitions. So first Hannah went. She just slid back the partition. ആ റൂമിലേക്ക് കയറുന്ന പാർട്ടീഷൻ അതിങ്ങനെ ഉന്തി മാറ്റുന്നതാണ്. She just slid back the partition. ഡോറ് പുറത്തേക്ക് തുറക്കുന്നതല്ല, ഡോറ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഉന്തി മാറ്റുന്നതാണ്. She just slid back the partition. Sada was not yet there. When she reached there, Sada was not there. Earlier, if you remember, when Sadav went out, she was afraid to remain with the young white man, and she went with immediately behind him. But now, when she returned, she finds that Sadav has not returned. Yumi, following, put down her wooden bucket. Yumi just followed Hannah. Now two persons are there along with the man, white man. So total three. Yumi just came with a wooden bucket. Wooden bucket ilana vallam kondadu, maram kondulla bucket. Then she went over to the white man. So after coming inside, Yumi seeing for the first time this white man, she put the bucket on the ground and went near to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. Ayale kanda matrayil. What was her reaction? Her thick lips, she's having a thick lip, tadicha chodiyanulla, thick lips folded, kadichu pidikka. Lips kadichu pidikka, folded themselves into stubbornness. Stubbornness എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ശാഠ്യമാണ്, obstinacy ആണ്. What is stubbornness? If you take a small child to the market during a mela, the child will point at towards a shop and will ask that I want that, I want this. അത് കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ നിന്ന് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുകയല്ല. നിർബന്ധ ബുദ്ധി എന്നാണ് പറയുക. Stubbornness. What is her stubbornness? I have never washed a white man, she said, and I will not wash so dirty one now. Who is Yumi, servant of the house, nurse of the children? She is supposed to do the work that is given to her by her master and mistress. But then, just looking at this white man, and he is so... Hello? എങ്ങനെ? ഒന്നും കൂടെ പുറത്തു പോയിട്ട് കയറാൻ പറ കേട്ടോ. ഇവിടെ അവളുടെ അഡ്മിഷൻ വരുന്നില്ല. ഞാൻ ഒന്ന് നോക്കട്ടെ. 1 minute, ലെറ്റ് മീ സീ ഇറ്റ്. ശ്രീവന്ദയുടെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഒന്നും വന്ന് കിടപ്പില്ല ഇവിടെ. നോ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ഹിയർ. ഇവിടെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഒന്നും വന്ന് കിടക്കില്ലല്ലോ. എന്ത് ചെയ്യാനാ? അവിടെ നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലം ആയിരിക്കുവേ. കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? ആർ യു സീയിങ്? കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ. ഓക്കെ. So just looking at this white man, she just stood there in stubbornness and she said that I have never washed a white man. ഇതുവരെ ഞാൻ ഒരു വെള്ളക്കാരനെ കുളിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. And again she said that if I have to start washing a white man, I will not start washing a white man with such a dirty man. Inauguration ഇത്രയും വൃത്തികെട്ട മനുഷ്യനിൽ വേണ്ട എന്ന്. I will not wash a white man, and if I have to do at all, then I shall not wash such a dirty man. Now, that is what she says. Hannah cried at her severely, you will do what your master commands you. Hannah just cried at her severely. അവൾക്ക് അരിശം വന്നു. അവൾ അലറിക്കൊണ്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അരിശത്തോടു കൂടി പറഞ്ഞു, you will do what your master commands you. You have been paid for doing the work what your master is asking. Who is the master? Sadao. Sadao has asked you to wash that man. This is what she said. There was so fierce a look of resistance upon Yumi's round, dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. Just when she said that you are supposed to obey the order of the master, she just looked at her in a very fearful way. A fearful look of resistance. ചെയ്യുകയല്ല എന്നുള്ള ഒരു റിഫ്ലക്ഷനോട് കൂടി തുറിച്ചു നോക്കി. ആരെ നോക്കി? ഹനയെ നോക്കി. And that is why Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. She felt very badly afraid because it is not that this girl will just attack her, but she was thinking about other many possibilities. That if she is not satisfied, definitely, normally, what is happening in the house is carried to the neighboring house and outside by the servants. So she might have been thinking about this possibility. Anyway, she felt it. Unless Hannah and Sadao is able to convince the servants and just win them over to their side, they are not safe. It is very clear. After all, if the servant should report something that was not as it happened, എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചത്? A poor man was washed near the shore, and they have taken him into the house, irrespective of his color, his nationality, to just give him first aid as a doctor. പക്ഷെ ഇവർ ചെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? They will be simply going and telling that എന്താണ്? These people have got background of America. അമേരിക്കയിൽ താമസിച്ച അമേരിക്കൻസിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നു. ദിസ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് ഷീ ഈസ് ഡൗട്ടിങ് ഇൻ ഹെർ മൈൻഡ്. ആഫ്റ്റർ ഓൾ, ഇഫ് ദ സെർവൻറ്റ് ഷുഡ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് സംതിങ് ദാറ്റ് വാസ് നോട്ട് ആസ് ഇറ്റ് ഹാപ്പൻഡ്, എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംഭവിച്ചത്? ദാറ്റ് ഓൾ ഓഫ് us know, because we are with a lesson. But those people who are going to be reported, the servants will carry the wrong message, then definitely it would be dangerous. Very well, she said with the dignity. Who said? Hannah said with the dignity. Dignity എന്താണ്? അഭിമാനത്തോടു കൂടിയാണ്. എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? Very well. Okay, if you will not wash. She just cooled down very fast. Earlier she said with authority that you will do what the master said. But now she came back. Why? She understood that just offending the servants, they will get into problem. That is why she said, very well. She said with the dignity. You understand, we only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn him over as a prisoner. ഇപ്പം സംസാരിക്കുന്ന മിസ്ട്രസിനെ പോലെയല്ല, അവരിൽ ഒരാളെ പോലെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. ഞങ്ങൾ എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഇയാളെ അകത്തേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നതെന്ന് നിനക്കറിയാമോ? യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്, വി ഓൺലി വാണ്ട് ടു ബ്രിങ് ഹിം ടു ഹിസ് സെൻസസ്. ഈ അബോധാവസ്ഥയിൽ കിടക്കുന്ന ഈ മനുഷ്യന് ഒന്ന് ബോധം കൊടുക്കുക. സോ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ ടേൺ ഹിം ഓവർ ആസ് എ പ്രിസണർ. ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ ഹാൻഡ് ഹിം ഓവർ ടു ദ police as a prisoner. But Yumi's reply, Yumi says, I will have nothing to do with him. Yumi said, Yumi എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? എനിക്കൊന്നും ഈ മനുഷ്യനുമായി ചെയ്യാനില്ല. Whether you are going to kill him, whether you are going to save him, whether you are going to look after him, it is immaterial to me. I will have nothing to do with it. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എൻ്റെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിന്ന് ഈ മനുഷ്യനൊരു സഹായം ഉണ്ടാകുകയില്ല. She says that I am a poor person and it is not my business. So here Hannah and Sadao, they are big people, rich people, they are professional people, doctor and doctor's wife and things like that. She says that I am a poor woman and it is not my business to just save his life. Then please, Hannah said gently, return to your own work. നിനക്ക് എന്നെ സഹായിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ, if you cannot watch this man, Hannah said, then please return to your work. What is her work? Looking after the children. At once Yumi left the room. ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സാധാരണ സെർവൻസ് പോവില്ല, അവിടെ നിന്ന് സഹായിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കും. ബട്ട് വാട്ട് ഷീ ഡിഡ്, യുമി വാസ് stubborn, it was said earlier. അവൾ തീരുമാനിച്ചു, ആര് പറഞ്ഞാലും മാറുകയില്ല, തീരുമാനിച്ചുറപ്പിച്ച പോലെ തന്നെ. She says, she just left the room. But this left Hannah with the white man alone. Earlier she was hesitant to remain alone with the white man. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പോഴും വീണ്ടും അവൾ ഒറ്റയ്ക്കായി. She might have been too afraid to stay had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now sustained her. Why she remained alone with this white man? She was able to remain with the white man without fear because she was annoyed on Yumi's stubbornness. And her fear was sustained. അതിനെ അടക്കി ഭരിക്കുകയാണ്. എന്താണ്? Her anger towards Yumi's stubbornness. Her emotional anger overshadowed her fear because Yumi was very stubborn and therefore she did not feel the fear this time. She said, stupid Yumi. എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? യൂമി ഒരു സ്റ്റുപ്പിഡ് ആണ്. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? She muttered fiercely, is this anything but a man, but a wounded helpless man? അവൾ പറയാണ്, ഇയാൾ ആരാണ്? He is only a man, and not only that, he is a wounded helpless man. ഒരു കഴിവില്ലാത്ത വ്യക്തി, കാരണം wounded man ആണ്. He is a helpless man ആണ്. ആരും സഹായിക്കാനില്ലാത്ത ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ്. ഇദ്ദേഹത്തെ ഒരു എനിമിയായിട്ട് കാണേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? And that is why she says that Yumi is stupid. In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. When she had his breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel that Yumi had brought into the steaming hot water and washed his face carefully. The man's skin, though rough with exposure, was of fine texture and must have been very blond when he was a child. So, in her conviction of her own superiority, അതായത് സെർവൻറ്റിൻ്റെ മുമ്പിൽ തോറ്റു കൊടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. ഷി ഫെൽറ്റ് സുപ്പീരിയർ ആൻഡ് ദെൻ ഷി ബെൻഡ് ഇമ്പൾസീവ്ലി, തോട്ട്ഫുള്ളി അല്ല, അന്നേരം ഇൻസ്റ്റിങ്റ്റീവ്ലി എന്താണ് തോന്നിയത് അതനുസരിച്ച് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചു. വാട്ട് ഷി ഡിഡ്, ഷി അൺടൈഡ് ദ നോട്ടഡ് ഡ്രഗ്സ്, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ തുണികൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അയാളുടെ ബോഡി കവർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഗം, തുണികൾ, റഗ്സ്, ഷി ജസ്റ്റ് മൂവ്ഡ് that kept the white man covered. And then when she had his breast bare, എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചെസ്റ്റ് പോർഷൻ, മുൻഭാഗത്ത് ചെസ്റ്റ് ഭാഗം ബെയറായി നേക്കഡ് ആക്കിയതിന് ശേഷം, ഷീ ഡിപ്ഡ് ദ സ്മോൾ ക്ലീൻ ടവൽ ദാറ്റ് യൂമി ഹാഡ് ബ്രോട്ട് ഇൻ ടു ദ സ്റ്റീമിങ് ഹോട്ട് വാട്ടർ ആൻഡ് വാഷ്ഡ് ഹിസ് ഫേസ് കെയർഫുള്ളി. ആദ്യം മുഖം കഴുകി, ചൂടുവെള്ളത്തിൽ, യൂമി കൊണ്ടുവന്ന ചൂടുവെള്ളത്തിൽ ടവല് മുക്കി അതുകൊണ്ട് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ മുഖം തൂത്ത് തുടച്ച് വൃത്തിയാക്കി. And after having washed, what she has noticed is that the man's skin, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ സ്കിന്ന്, തൊലി, മണ്ണും രക്തത്തിൻ്റെ കറയെല്ലാം പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പം, ദോ റഫ് വിത്ത് എക്സ്പോസർ, ആ സ്കിന്ന് സീ വാട്ടറുമായിട്ട് എക്സ്പോസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കുറച്ച് റഫായാലും, ഇറ്റ് വാസ്, she understood that it was a fine texture and the composition was a very fine and must have been very blonde when he was a child. അപ്പം ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ അവസ്ഥ നോക്കി, she is just guessing that when he was a child his skin was blonde എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഗോൾഡൻ കളറാണ്, അമേരിക്കനാണ്, ഗോൾഡൻ കളർ, വെരി നൈസ് കളർ. When she was thinking these thoughts, though not really liking the man better now that he was no longer a child, she kept on watching him until his upper body was quite clean. But she dared not turn him over. Where was Sadao? She started asking. Now her anger was ebbing and she was anxious against and rose, wiping her hands on the wrong towel. So here you see, while she was thinking this thought, ഇങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പം, though she was not liking this man, even though he has got a beautiful body or fine texture and fine skin, etc., when he was a small boy, he might have been very beautiful and all that, all this thought came to her, but she never liked him. അവനെ കൂടുതൽ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടൊന്നുമില്ല, കാരണം he is an enemy, he is no more a child, now he is an enemy. She kept on watching him until the upper body was quite clean. So upper portion of the body she managed to clean, and she was not having the courage to turn him over. Backside clean ചെയ്യണം, അതിനുള്ള ധൈര്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല, because she was all alone. And then now only she remembered, where is my husband? Where was Sadao? Sadao ഇതുവരെ തിരിച്ചു വന്നില്ല. Now her anger was ebbing. Now her anger is just rising up. It is increasing. And she was anxious again and she rose. So what happened? Anxiously she rose from the place where she was kneeling down. She was kneeling down and washing the face of the man because he was lying on the ground, and then got up and she went and wiped her hands on the wrong towel. Wrong towel പോയിട്ട് she just wiped her hands. Because what happens, in order to wipe the hand, she just went on to the wrong towel. That is what the lesson says.